Whether you are an ambitious DIYer, a passionate sustainability advocate, or someone who just wants a stress free path to their dream home, we've got a package to match your journey. Let's break down the three EcoKit packages so you can choose the one that's right for you. First up, Bare Bones. This is our most flexible and budget friendly option. You'll get the core EcoKit construction system, numbered framing components, wall and roof panels, plus the essential documentation including engineering certification and an assembly manual. Perfect for owner builders or those working with a local builder who want to source their own finishes or use reclaimed materials. It's sustainable, hands on, and ideal for those who want full control over their project. Next is the Essentials package, designed to help you build a high performance, airtight, and well insulated building envelope with ease. You get everything in bare bones, plus the key elements needed to make your home energy efficient, comfortable, and built to last. That includes insulation, membranes, exterior windows and doors, and either a heat or energy recovery ventilation system. Let's talk more in detail about the insulation. Insulation doesn't only keep your home warm in winter, but it also keeps your home cool in summer. At EcoKit, we only use healthy, sustainable materials, no formaldehyde, and no VOCs. Our preferred insulation, Airtool by Knauf, is made from up to 80% recycled glass, which cuts down on carbon emissions and avoids harmful chemical altogether. The EcoKit construction system was designed as a diffusion open structure. I will explain this in a separate video, but this type of construction includes smart membranes on the exterior and the interior. These high-performance membranes are essential for both weather protection and airtightness. The external layer acts as a weather-resistive barrier that shields your home from rain and wind, while still allowing internal moisture to escape. The internal membrane is our intelligent air barrier that helps regulate indoor humidity and keeps your insulation performing at its best. These advanced materials use nanotechnology to block uncontrolled airflow while allowing vapor to pass through in a controlled way, which means a drier, mold-free structure and a far greater energy efficiency. The heat or energy recovery system is one of the unsung heroes of energy efficiency and comfort. It works by removing stale air from inside the home and bringing in fresh outdoor air. But here's the clever bit. It captures heat from the outgoing air and transfers it to the incoming air. That means your home stays warm in winter, cool in summer, and consistently filled with filtered, fresh air without wasting energy. It's a simple silent system that works in the background to support your health, comfort, and energy savings every day. I have explained this in our previous video. Check it out if you want to know more. Then there are the windows, often the weakest point in a home's envelope. Ordinary windows leak heat in winter and invite it in during summer. That's why we only use high performance, at minimum double glazed European style tilt and turn windows and lift and slide doors. And no matter the material of the frame, we only work with thermally broken frames with high quality hardware. Depending on your budget and needs, we offer ultra durable UPVC windows for excellent thermal and acoustic performance, timber framed windows for natural feel and aesthetics, and either fully aluminum frames or timber aluminum hybrids that offer the best of both worlds: beauty, efficiency, and low maintenance. All our options support high air tightness, secure multi-point locking, and can meet bushfire ratings for bushfire-prone areas. The Essentials package also includes our comprehensive assembly manual. This isn't just a guide to putting together the EcoKit structure. It walks you through each major step, including how to properly install insulation and membranes to ensure optimal performance and airtightness. Clear diagrams, step-by-step instructions, and builder-friendly explanations make it a powerful tool for anyone building with confidence. You can also customize your EcoKit home with optional add-ons like roofing, cladding, and technologies like solar panels, and more. So, who is this package for? The Essentials package is ideal for confident DIYers or local trades teams looking to build high-performance, healthy, and comfortable home. Finally, peace of mind. This is the full-service, no-stress experience. Based on your brief, we take care of everything: planning, design, permits, builder engagement, and full project oversight. We work in collaboration with a trusted local builder who will assemble the EcoKit structure and finish the home to your specifications. From the first sketch to handling over the keys, we make sure everything runs smoothly and meets your vision. This package includes everything in Essentials, plus all standard inclusions like kitchen, bathroom, ventilation, finishes, and interior designer services. We'll even manage all approvals and deliver a blower door test guarantee. If you want a beautifully built home without the stress, we've got you covered. 3 options, 1 destination, your dream home. Whether you want full control, some support, or complete peace of mind, EcoKit adapts to your style. Ready to choose your package? Let's build something extraordinary together.